You've probably heard the saying to vote with your wallet, and it may sound cliche, but it's still really important. And it's a fundamental part of why we started Motive. Because the world is a better place when companies are good corporate citizens. And there's nothing as powerful as consumer demand to drive companies to be better corporate citizens. As consumers, one of the most important things we can do is to define what better means to us. This sounds so simple, but it's so powerful because every time we buy a product, we're effectively sending a signal to all companies about what to make and how to make it. So what does your signal say? Because the clearer our definition of better, the more powerful our signal becomes. When I talk to people about what better means, something I hear the most frequently is that they want companies to be more sustainable. And I'd agree with that. But sustainability is really tricky to define. It means a lot of different things to a lot of different people. In fact, we read a lot of corporate sustainability reports here at Motive. It's one of the things we do to help us get more insight about the impacts of brands. Chances are, if a company has issued a sustainability report, we've read it. One of the ones we read recently, the entire sustainability report only talked about carbon emissions. So this company was trying to frame sustainability as climate action, and only climate action. Now, I like seeing climate action. I like seeing a reduction of greenhouse gases. However, it's not enough for me. I also wanted to know about that company's impacts on natural ecosystems and habitats, local communities, its employees and employment relations, or how it treats human rights across the supply chain. And for me personally, one of the most important things I look for is its impact on fresh water, because water is life. And for me, that is a critical importance. I want to know what that company is doing to manage its impact on water. Not just climate change, all these issues. So for me, this company would not be a sustainable company. It could do a lot better, and I want it to do better. But how about you? What does better mean to you? What are the issues that you care about? What are the elements of these issues that you would like to see action on? I highly recommend you take a moment to think about those questions and come up with a better understanding of what better means to you. Because as informed and intentional shoppers, we can change the world, but we need to know what we want to change it to. So as you think about what better means to you, connect with us and we can help you explore some of these issues. And when you're ready, we can help you find brands that better fit your vision of better, brands that better align with your values. So please connect with us. It's what we do, it's why we're here, and we want to help. Thank you.